Nasa local din naman ang usapan. Pwede raw mag-time travel sa 1990 sa Hong Kong. City of Darkness o Kowloon Walled City ang dating tawag sa lugar na ito noong 90s. Ngayon, kabaliktaran na ang makikita sa dati nitong kinatitirikan.
So mga biyahero, papasok tayo sa Kowloon Walled City na originally was built as a military fort back in the mid-19th century and then turned into a settlement for about mga 33 to 50,000 residents. Isipin mo, 4 football fields, tapos nun, ito itsura niyan. 350 connected buildings and an average of 10 to 14 flights or 10 to 14 floors interconnected. After the demolition ng 1990s, ginawa na nila itong park. At the same time, parang naging film set.
Sa entrance pa lang, para bang nag-time travel back in time.
So this is the look back in the day. Medyo dense pa.
Sari-saring mga kwarto ang itinayo muli sa park na ito para ma-feel kung paano manirahan sa dating Kowloon Walled City.
Galing, no? Parang tunay talagang dental clinic with all the bells and whistles. You have your desk here, and then syempre your seat, and all the, I guess, instruments na ginagamit ng mga dentista. It looks so real. Ang galing! This is the fishball factory. So, pagpasok mo dito sa recreated walled city, bukod sa pagtingin mo sa ganda ng pagkagawa nila, ng recreation nila, you can actually hear also kung ano yung nangyayari dati. Ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga kitchens na ginawa nila at naririnig natin yung sizzling na nagaganap habang nagluluto sila.
Mas immersive ang experience ito dahil sa mga maririnig na pag-uusap sa loob.
Wow! You can sit down, have your meal. I think this is barbecued pork with rice. Their iced tea, of course, chopsticks. Galing! Oh my God, everything looks so real. Sakto, uso ngayon magpakulot. Pa-perm, please!
Kitang-kita sa mga display dito ang pagkamalikhain at attention to detail. Malaki man o maliit ang gamit, bawat isa sinigurong accurate ang pagka-recreate.
Wow!
Effort kung effort!
Galing. So this is like how the veranda feels. It looked like before. Yan yung itsura ng parang tenement. Sobrang overpopulated, sobrang dense. May aeroplano. Ang galing. Surround sound pa. Makikita mo at very relatable sa atin sa Manila ay ang kanilang wiring. Ito yung wiring nila. Very familiar, no? So you want to experience the Kowloon Walled City Cinematic Journey Exhibition? Guess what? Libre lang to. But you have to line up to get the tickets. Dahil ginagawa nila, I think, every batch is limited to 60. And then maximum of 20 minutes each para at least feeling ko per person, per tourist, they can appreciate their space and they can have a good amount of time to do pictures, to record some videos. But yeah, everything's free.
O ha? Ganoong level ng historic experience for free? Woohooy! Sulit!
Ang galing!
Kung hindi naman umabot sa tickets, malawak ang grounds dito para mag-exercise, maglakad, o simpleng huminga lang sa gitna ng syudad.
Ano, nabiting ka sa Biyahe? Cool! All you gotta do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel of GMA Public Affairs and you can just watch all the Behind the Drew episodes all day, forever in your life. Let's go! Yeehaw!